So I started off talking about Canva and I'm here now. But let me just quickly do this. So when when you have your video, like if I have 4 videos, like I'm going to duplicate this whole file into 4 places. I'm going to delete the remaining ones, just highlight and delete. I'm not going to delete this one yet because I haven't duplicated this particular file. But what you need to do is you need to come here and do transcribe. Uh, this thing that says transcripts. When you click on it, it gives you all of this. There's transcript usually on the phone as well. What I need to do here is just remove my spaces. So when I come on this transcript, come up here to remove filler words. And I look at it. So it's going to tell me what is duplicated. And this says God can heal, comma, God can't heal what you keep pretending doesn't exist. So it's obviously the God can't heal that makes sense. So let's assume it's I like this for me. So let's say if it's I like this for me, yeah. If I say delete, oh God can't heal. Control X back. Anyway, so let's say I like something that you want to keep. You can, let's see. Let me undo. I think it's when you're doing trans caption. You can change the text. Okay, so for this one, so let's do the filler words. Anyway, just read through. Most times it's always very accurate. It tells you what the repetition is. It's okay to say blah blah blah. So all the spaces in your video, you don't have to manually do spaces, right? You don't have to manually cut your video. This cuts it automatically for you. The moment you reveal it. So this I don't think there's a repetition. So you can see how it says on Mac, right? Oh, actually, I was unmarking this one. Oh, I'm not sure why it's not letting me do this, but anyway, I don't want to delete. I am going to Control Z again, Control Z. Okay. Then I just kind of go through it. Majorly, it takes away all my spaces. And that's the most important thing. This that you keep talking, saying your video, it takes it away too. God breaks to bless. So it's repeated. So God breaks to bless. God crushes to blah, blah, blah. So you kind of remove your repetition. So when I'm done just looking at it randomly, I can now click on remove. Yeah. Then you can see how it has trained my video for me. However, that's why I say you need to do it remove the remaining videos because right now it's mixed up with all the other 3 videos in this piece. So the next thing you want to do is, so I'm going to X out of this. So now I have my transcript. I did transcript and cut all the empty cells. You're going to do your AI packaging. This is for your auto caption. Then click on Start. So it start loading. And you're gonna see how the video comes up. Now, the only work in this thing now is before you do your transcript, before you cut your videos like this, you need to be able to edit your videos, like edit the face. This transcript should be like your second to last, and your caption should be the last that you put in there, right? But I'm going to show you guys, for those of you that are using laptop, I already have some presets editing tools that edit the face, so you don't have to manually go and edit your face again. So let's get this loading, then I can show you where it is. So I also have a preset text or a favorite text that I use too, that I'm going to also show you. Okay. So you can see that it has given me my caption, which is that you can't really view it. I don't know. I think I need to restart my system. But one of the things you will see is this thing down here is sound effects. So it automatically gives you your sound effects. So all those manual work you've been doing, it's now automatic. Now you can see that this thing has two lines here. One line is it gives you different type of caption. You're gonna see, maybe I may not be able to show you, but it gives you different type of caption. Then now let's look at, so for text, I have a text that I want to put. So if you go to text, I don't know if this shows on, what's it called? On the phone. Let me see what my favorite, yes. So if you go to text, go to yours, this is mine, and this is on all the AI gem. Then go to text templates. This particular text template, I want to use it. So I'm going to add it to the beginning here. So obviously it's down here. I want to bring it down here a bit. Oops. Anyway, it's not showing now, but it's supposed to be down here. Under this text, what I want to add is, I want to add something like Minister Flowealth. I think I have it in other, what's it called? But it only comes at the first part of your video, right? It's like a name introduction. And this is for Ellen Children. So I'm gonna put it in regular Flowealth Academy, this thing. Anyway, then, so let's talk about editing your face. So when you click on a particular video, like I said, this needs to happen before you cut all these things, before you do all your caption. Go to retouch and go to face presets. I have this preset already saved, and I believe it should be on all this particular login. You should always have it. So you just click on the face presets. And this face preset is already edited. So all the edits I made on my eyelashes, my smoothness of the face, nose, it's automatic. If it does not reflect on your own video, you can just do an edit on the part on one video and save it as a preset, right? So let's say you come here, you want to adjust or retouch your stuff. Let's see here. So let's say you want to retouch the face, click on the face, do what you need to do on your face, on your skin, do everything you need to do. After everything, this thing that says presets. So let me click on this. Anyway, this thing that says save as preset, then you cannot save it as presets. Then when you come to your retouch and go to your preset, you're going to see the preset there. So preset is something you already set down. You don't have to repeat it over and over again. I don't have to keep reducing my notes for every single video. That's an error. Just do a standard one. Then you can always use that. I don't have to always smoothen my face for every video. No. Save your preset and use it all the time. That saves you your editing time. That's for preset. Then I think I have something for what else do I need to do? Anyway, when you do this, the only thing you need to do is now your audio, where you have to and auto adjust. This auto adjust, you cannot wait, hold on. There's a save as preset. Oh, wow. Okay. So I think I saved as preset, but I don't know where the preset is. And I'm sure there's a way around it. So this is your auto adjust. If you need to always adjust your videos, you can now do your adjusting. Let's say you want to make all the yellow, the temperature to be this, blah, blah. So adjust one video. Most time the videos are always recorded in the same environment. So your adjustment can be used for multiple videos. Anyway, so you can save it as a preset too, so you don't always have to be manually adjusting this. As for this, when you save it as a preset, I don't know where the preset goes. Actually, let me try it. Okay, so the preset does not include pro material. So you want to do presets here, it should not be a pro one thing, one thing, one thing. Anyway, so for this one, you always just need to come here and do your auto adjust. That's what the only thing you do manually. Then the second manual thing you do is your audio. You come here and do reduce noise. You need to always reduce noise in your video. Always, right? So those are the two manual things you do, your noise and your auto adjust. That's all. Put your presets, put your caption automatically. Then the only manual thing you do is these captions might not be correct. So you have to go in and just type the right one. You can't heal if you're hiding. And the other one is so the only caption is what you manually do. So hopefully you understand how the edit. So when you're done, you export your video, put the right title and export. Can this video export? Let me see. Should be able to export. Okay, yeah. So you kind of export. Now there's something I did in this video that's slowing it down. I think the first thing that's slowing it down is because I have more than one what's it called? Cancel. It's pretty long for the kind of heavy thing I'm doing because this is AI generation is very heavy. So just do it for like our videos are usually like 30 seconds, no more than 1 minute. So remove the remaining piece, do it one after the other. Okay. Let me stop recording.